Hello children, how are you? In this video, we are going to learn about a new and interesting story, about raincoat. So in this story, there are two main characters. One is a small and cute boy, his name is Nalan, and his mother is another character. So without wasting time, let's start our story, So what is the meaning of raincoat, children? Raincoat is actually we are wearing when we are going out in the raining, in the raining time. So the raincoat will protect you, from rain, isn't it? So you will not get wet. So on Sunday, Nalan's parents got him a red coat. So he became very happy by seeing this raincoat and asked the permission for wearing this raincoat and said, "Ma, may I wear it now?" Then mother said, "No, my dear, now the sky is clear. Now you should not wear this coat because there is no rain. If there is no cloud, there will be no rain. So you should not wear now." Look at the picture, children, right side of your screen, how Nalan is eagerly waiting for the rain by standing in the window. "Will it rain today, mummy?" asked Nalan on Monday. "No, Nalan, not today. It is bright and sunny. If you wear, it will be funny," said Ma. So my dear children, what did you understand from this paragraph? So Monday also he is asking about the rain. So his mother replied him, "Not today also, because the sky is very clear and bright. If you wear today, people will laugh at you." So poor Nalan became sad. So he is always sitting along with his raincoat in a sad mood, waiting for the rain. He actually want to enjoy the raining season by wearing this coat. On Tuesday, "Ma, when will my wish come true?" asked Nalan. "Not today, my dear. There is just one white cloud in the sky," said Ma. So today also he is not able to wear the raincoat because there is no rain, isn't it? And wish means anything you want eagerly. I need these things. So that is known as wish. On Wednesday, "Ma, why doesn't it rain?" asked Nalan. "Son, I think it is hot. It will rain before noon," said Ma. He is always keep on questioning about rain to his mother. So today also it is not possible to wear the raincoat, but his mother told, "Maybe it will rain today before 12 o'clock. On Thursday during picnic, "Ma, what if it rains? Shall I take the raincoat with me for picnic?" asked Nalan. "No, my dear, it will not rain. The little white clouds are too high," said Ma. So on Thursday, when they are planning to go outside for picnics, on the same day he is also asking about his raincoat. What about if there will be a rain in the picnic? So shall I take my coat? Like that he is asking to his mother. Then she replied, "No need, my dear. There is no guarantee for the rain today because there is a very little white cloud is there. So there is no chances to rain." "Ma, will it rain today?" asked Nalan loudly on Friday. "It might, my dear. There are some dark clouds low down in the sky," said mother. Loudly means to say something in a high voice. So again he is asking about rain on Friday with little angrily mood. So his mother replied, there is a chances for rain because there is a dark cloud which is low down in the sky. Can you see the dark cloud of your right side screen, children? That means it shows there will be a chance for raining. On Saturday begins with a bang. Dum, dum, dum. I hear thunder. Will it rain very soon? Asked Nalan. Finally, it starts to rain. Bang means a loud, sharp noise. Okay. And thunder means a loud noise. Okay. A very high, loud noise which is produced in the sky with lightning before raining. On Saturday, he heard a very loud noise like dum dum along with lightning from the sky. Then he asked about this to his mother and asked, will it rain? Then finally his wish come true and starts raining. Okay, children, have you heard ever before this sound, children, before raining? It is very frightening, isn't it, children? So small children also getting scared of this. So now Nalan is singing a song, okay, by saying it's raining, it's raining. And he completely forgot about his raincoat. Without raincoat, he is dancing in the rain and he is enjoying of the raining season. So children, he ran out from his house by singing a song, it's raining, it's raining. Sang means, okay, past tense of the sing, and sing means something you can say in rhyming words. But Nalan, you forgot your raincoat, said Ma, running after him. So what his mother did, children? She ran after him, okay, by saying, you forgot your raincoat, please wear it and then you can enjoy this rainy season. So what did you learn, children, from this story? What is the moral of this story and what is the theme of this story? Can anyone answer me? Yes, you are right, children. The theme of this story is raining season. Okay. And the moral of the story is we have to keep patience. So, my dear children, have patience. One day your wish will come true. I hope you would have understood the story very well. Now you can read the story twice. You will able to understand easily.
Let's know something about the rainy season. The rainy season comes after the summer season, which starts in the month of July and lasts till September. We also call it as monsoon season. During this time, the sky looks cloudy with heavy black clouds. Everywhere there are sounds of lightning with huge tremendous thunder. We often see rainbow as well. Ponds, rivers, lakes receive plenty of rainwater during the rainy season. It also helps the farmers as they get plenty amount of water needed for good cultivation of crops. Rainy season also gives us different type of fruits such as peaches, plum, lychee and cherries. In order to protect ourselves from the rainwater, we use raincoat and umbrella. Many creatures can be seen during the rainy season, such as frog, snake, centipede, snail, and earthworm. Thank you.